Hi, welcome to Healthy Home Cooking. Today we're going to explore the vineyards at Hershey. There's even room that if you are in the Harvest Host program, you can park your RV and enjoy a night at the winery. Summer hours for the vineyard's tasting room are Monday through Sunday, 11 a.m. to 6 p.m. According to their website and print literature, the Vineyard at Hershey was started in 2012 and is located in beautiful Middletown, Pennsylvania, which is in the rolling hills on the outskirts of Hershey, PA. These wines are made from the highest quality grapes utilizing careful viticulture practices. This is not your standard industrially produced commercial wine. The owners invite you to taste test their great selection of varied and delicious wines.
Oh, that is really good.
So it was the best dry in the state this year.
The Vineyard at Hershey has events throughout the year. Check their website for dates and times. Outside, there is plenty of seating and parking and many beautiful grapevines to view. Their philosophy is that enjoying an artfully crafted wine is meant to be shared and experienced with friends and loved ones. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell. Be healthy and keep on cooking.